The key message I wanted to give to the heads today was really around the breadth of skills, particularly softer skills, that I think are going to be needed in the future, and their responsibility to really help challenge and educate the kids in those opportunities and be able to teach children those things, but most importantly, having a passion for continuous learning. I think what we look for most from the students nowadays is not just the qualifications, but the ability to apply themselves. So to think around those bigger problems, to show curiosity, to be able to be a good problem solver, to have that sense of passion to do different, to do good, but really driven from a sense of understanding what they can change and is in their control. And that sense of creativity. So actually, how do they creatively think around problems or challenges or opportunities, and how do they tell their story? Diversity is, I imagine, something that's challenged everyone, not just as I certainly actually facing that room today. It's a challenge for the HMC as it is much for us as well. And I'm passionate at Google where we're looking at that sense of inclusivity. So we build products for everyone, and therefore our workforce should be far more reflective of everybody. And today it's not. We're particularly woefully poor around female engineers and also senior female leaders. So we have a lot of programs internally but also externally to look at how can we encourage either more women into computer science and tech, but also giving young girls and women the skills and the tools that will really help them succeed. I hope the heads will take away from the session a sense of a review of how they're maybe thinking about their curriculum and the way that they're approaching their children, what they're celebrating as success. So I talked about the intersection of art and science, and I hope that they would consider how that they blend those stories and those topics for the kids. And I also hope that they'll perhaps go back and think around the experiences or opportunities they can give their children to be able to develop those skills around curiosity or innovation or creativity, and how do they celebrate kindness